In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Finland with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account in the app or on the website and make sure you are signed in properly. Once you are on the main screen, look at the country option at the top and change it to Finland. This is an important step because it makes sure your transfer is set up for the correct destination and shows you the delivery options available for Finland. After selecting Finland, click on Send Money to begin the transfer process. Remitly will then guide you through a few simple screens to set up the payment. At this stage, you may be asked to choose the person you are sending money to. If the recipient's contact information is already saved in your account, you can simply click on their name and continue. This can save time and also helps reduce the chance of entering details incorrectly. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact and then select their country. Make sure the country matches the recipient's actual location so the transfer can be processed correctly. Taking a moment here to confirm the details is always a good idea, especially if this is your first time sending money to that person. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the exchange rate, any fees, and the amount the recipient will receive. This helps you understand the total cost of the transfer before moving forward. If you are sending money regularly, it can also be helpful to compare delivery speeds and costs before choosing the final option. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. The available methods may vary depending on the destination and the recipient's setup, so choose the one that works best for them. After that, select your payment method. This is how you will fund the transfer, so choose the option that is most convenient for you and make sure the payment details are accurate. Then, click Continue. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's account details and complete any remaining information needed for the transfer. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully. Review everything before confirming and make sure all the information is correct to avoid delays. And that's it. Once you confirm the transfer, Remitly will begin processing your payment to Finland. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process again for future transfers, especially if you save the recipient as a contact for next time.